Hey there, ever wanted to build your own multiplayer game? Well, I'm here to teach you that. Hi, I'm Sticky Steak, and welcome to our Unity multiplayer game development course. Throughout this course, you will learn how to practice your Unity, C#, and the networking solution called Netic to create a professional 3D top-down multiplayer shooter game. You will also learn essential networking techniques to ensure a seamless multiplayer experiences for your players. But it's not just about building games, it's also about mastering the art of writing clean code to increase your project's scalability. And finally, I will also teach the best practices using Unity so you won't have to bash your head multiple times. Alright, join us and start building your own professional multiplayer shooter games with Unity today.